Yes, good morning children. Welcome to English session. So in the previous class, we learned already that Rikki Tikki Tavi goes exploring. Yes, who is Rikki Tikki Tavi? Yes, it's a mongoose name. It is a mongoose name. And here, one more character also there. Who is? Can you say? Yes, Teddy. Teddy is a boy. Teddy. Okay. So in that, have you remembered this lesson? Yes, Rikki Tikki Tavi is it is a mongoose. So the mongoose is living in the Teddy's house. It is not a pet animal, but Teddy is very liking to mongoose. So that's why the mongoose also living in the Teddy's house. So what's happened? Let's see. Her mother not like to stay the mongoose in her home. So what happens? Let's see. Yes. Finally, they went. They eat that food over, and he went to veranda. Yes, at the veranda at the sunshine, he fluffed his fur and to make it felt better. తన యొక్క తోకని కరెక్ట్గా చేసుకుందని చెప్పుకున్నాం కదా. Yes, next. There are lots of things to explore in this house, he said to himself. I shall certainly stay and look around. Explore means I said already. To look, search something to go unknown place, and then after we have to search all items. Now I will go to Teddy's room. Then how many items are there? Let's see. Like that, the mongoose is setting herself. Mongoose is saying herself. తనకు తానే అనుకుంటుంది నేను టెడ్డీ రూమ్ కి వెళ్ళాలి అనేసి. So what's happened? He spent all day roaming about the house. He nearly drowned himself in the bathtub. He put his nose into the ink bottle on a writing table. He climbed up in the big man's lap to see how writing was done. At nightfall, he ran into Teddy's nursery to watch how kerosene lamps were lit. When Teddy went to bed, Rikki Tikki Tavi climbed in too, but he was a restless companion. He got up at every noise and went off to find out what made it. So what's happened? Finally, the mongoose went to Teddy's room. So what's happened? He spent all roaming about the house. He nearly drowned himself in the bathtub. Yes, mongoose went to the Teddy's room. Then after he went to Teddy's that is bathroom. Okay. Then after what he did, he nearly drowned. Drowned means totally మునిగిపోవడం, under the water. Drowned. He nearly drowned himself in the bathtub. Bathtub లో పడిపోయిందంట. ఓకేనా? ఇలా బాత్రూమ్ ఉంటుంది కదా. yes, ఇందులోకి డైరెక్ట్ వచ్చి పడిపోయింది. టోటల్లీ మొత్తం అండర్ మంగూస్ ఇస్ అండర్ ద వాటర్. బాత్టబ్ లోకి వచ్చి పడిపోయిందంట. He put and అలా అన్ని చిన్న చిన్న పనులు చేస్తుంది, తనకి ఇష్టం ఉన్నట్టుగా చేస్తుంది అన్నట్టు. సో ఫస్ట్ they went to bathtub and totally drowned. He put his nose into the ink bottle on a writing table. He put his nose. తన యొక్క నోస్ ఏం చేసింది? ఇంక్ బాటిల్ దగ్గర పెట్టి ఇలా చూస్తుందంట, ఇన్హేలింగ్ చేస్తుంది. Yes, why he's doing like that? He put his nose into the ink bottle. Where is ink bottle? On the writing table. Writing table దగ్గర ఉన్న ink bottle దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి స్మెల్ చూస్తుందంట. And he climbed up into the big man's lap to see how writing was done. Afterwards, on the dining table, Teddy's father is there. He is doing writing. He's writing now. So So even Mongoose also seeing how the father, Teddy's father is writing. So finally she moved to the dining table. Mongoose కూడా తన తన లెగ్ పై నుంచి డైరెక్ట్ డైనింగ్ టేబుల్ కి ఎగిరిందంట. He climbed up. Yes, ఇక్కడ నుండి ఎగిరింది. చూసారా ఇక్కడ పిక్చర్ లో? Yes, తన కూడా తను రాస్తుంటా ఇంకెలా రాస్తుంది. He don't know everything. సో తను తెలుసుకోవాలి ఇది ఇంకెలా ఉంది, బాత్టబ్ ఏంటి, ఇవన్నీ ఏంటి అనేది తను చాలా ఆశ్చర్యంగా చూస్తుందంట. వెరీ సర్ప్రైజ్. He climbed up into the big man's lap to see how writing was done. ఎలా రాస్తున్నారు అనేది చూస్తుందంట. At nightfall, he ran into Teddy's room to watch how kerosene lamps were lit. Yes, at the night time also, the mongoose is observing kerosene lamp. Do you know kerosene lamp? Yes, in the old days we use it. Yes, and that kerosene lamp, how kerosene lamp was lit? అరే ఇందులో కిరోసిన్ పోస్తే ఎలా వెలుగుతుంది ల్యాంప్ అనేది తన ఆశ్చర్యంగా చూసేదంట. At the night time, when Teddy went to bed, even Rikki Tikki Tavi climbed into. Yes, at the night time, Teddy also got very tired. So what he did? Yes, to firstly he went to his bedroom and he gets sleep in the bed. Even Rikki Tikki Tavi also climbed the bed and mongoose also got sleeping. Teddy వచ్చి పడుకోగానే ఈవెన్ మంగు కూడా వచ్చి పడుకుందంట బెడ్ పైన. బట్ హీ వాజ్ ఏ రెస్ట్లెస్ క్యాంపెయిన్. He got up at every noise, went off to find out what made it. తను పడుకుంది కానీ తను చాలా డీప్ స్లీప్కి వెళ్ళలేదు. ఎందుకు? He got up every noise. ప్రతి ఒక్క సౌండ్ని తను అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తుంది. Is there any harmful to his friend Teddy? నా ఫ్రెండ్ టెడ్డీకి ఏమైనా హాని అవుతుందా అన్నట్టుగా తను చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా ఏ సౌండ్ వచ్చినా అలర్ట్గా ఉండేదంట. He got up every noise, ప్రతి ఒక్క సౌండ్ని తను అబ్జర్వ్ చేసేదంట. And went off to find out what made it. Yes, తనతో టెడ్డీతో పాటు పడుకుంది కానీ టెడ్డీ లాగా మొత్తం డీప్ స్లీప్లోకి వెళ్ళలేదు. ఎక్కడ ఏ సౌండ్ అవుతుంది, ఏమైనా అవుతుందా అన్నట్టుగా చూస్తుందంట. Teddy's mother and father came in to look at their son. Yes, when they're sleeping, Teddy's room is there, no? Yes, Teddy's mother and father came to Teddy's room. What happens to look at their son? తన యొక్క కొడుకుని చూస్తున్నారంట. And Rikki Tikki Tavi also awake on the pillow. Yes, when they came to Teddy's home, even Rikki Tikki Tavi also sleeping on a pillow. Yes, Teddy is sleeping, even mongoose also sleeping. So they saw that scene. So what happens? మంచి మంగూస్ కూడా మంచిగా పిల్లో పెట్టుకొని పడుకుందంట. దాన్ని ఎవరు చూసారా? టెడ్డీస్ యొక్క పేరెంట్స్, మమ్మీ డాడీ చూసారంట. ఏమైందో చూద్దాం. I don't like it, said Teddy's mother. He may bite the child. నాకు ఇది నచ్చలేదు. I don't like it. Why mongoose is sleeping in the bed? మంగూస్ ఎందుకు వచ్చి ఇక్కడ వచ్చి పడుకుంది? I don't like, నాకు ఇది నచ్చట్లేదు. He may bite the child. ఒకవేళ మన టెడ్డీని కొరికితే ఎట్లా? She is very caring person to her son. So that's why he can't like that to mongoose. So he may bite the child. టెడ్డీ పక్కకే పడుతుంది, ఒకవేళ కొరికితే ఎట్లా అని వరి అవుతుందంట. So what's happened next? He will do no such thing, said the father. Teddy is safer with that little beast than if he had bloodhound to watch him if a snake came into nursery now. He will do no such thing. Look, Teddy's father is saying, no, it's not correct. Teddy is not doing harm to Teddy's. Mongoose అనేది Teddy ki hani cheyadu. They are best friends. He can't harm. He can't did harm. Like that, Teddy's father is saying, "నువ్వు ఏం భయపడకు, అది ఏం చేయదు దాన్ని." Teddy is safer with the little beast than if he had bloodhound to watch him. What if a snake came into nursery? No. Yes, but Teddy's mother would not think of anything so awful. She just hoped that the mongoose would not bring any harm to Teddy. He will not do harm. So if any cruel animals will come, cruel creatures will come, the mongoose will punish. Mongoose will beat that creature animal. Mongoose will fight the other animals. You don't worry about our son. Like that. ఒకవేళ వేరే పాము కానీ ఏదైనా వస్తే మొత్తం మంగూస్ అనేది రానివ్వకుండా చేస్తుంది, మన అబ్బాయికి ఏం కాదు అని చెప్తున్నాడు. But Teddy's mother would not think of it so awful. But still Teddy's mother is not believing to mongoose. What if he bites my son, so what happens? So like that she is so worrying about her son. He just hoped that mongoose would not bring any harm to Teddy. Yes. So finally, what father said, it's a very best friend to Teddy, so he can't harmful to us. So like that they said. So finally, even Teddy's mother also hoped mongoose. So this is about Rikki Tikki Tavi goes exploring. The next class we will discuss remaining lesson and next lesson. Okay, thank you.